Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Alright, so we're looking at two espresso machines, the Breville Barista Touch and the De'Longhi Dinamica Latte Crema. Both are aiming for that bean-to-cup experience, right?
Exactly, and both are around the same price point, although the Breville is currently discounted to $799.95, while the De'Longhi is at $929. So price-wise, the Breville has a slight edge right now.
Good point. Let's dive into the features. The Breville boasts a touchscreen interface, which seems pretty intuitive. It has 5 pre-programmed cafe favorites and lets you save 8 custom settings.
The De'Longhi, on the other hand, has an LCD display and offers a whopping 18 espresso and specialty coffee recipes with one touch. Plus, it has a My Menu feature for saving your personalized recipes.
Okay, so De'Longhi wins on sheer variety. What about the grinder? Both have built-in conical burr grinders, which is great.
The De'Longhi has 13 grind settings, which gives you a lot of control over the fineness of the grind. The Breville just mentions adjustable grind control, so it's not clear how many settings it has exactly.
So De'Longhi potentially offers more granular control there. Milk frothing is key too.
Both have automatic milk frothing systems. The Breville has an auto steam wand that lets you adjust temperature and texture. The De'Longhi uses its latte crema system, which is also adjustable and even works with non-dairy milks like soy and oat.
That's a big plus for people with dietary restrictions. What about the size? Space is always a consideration.
The De'Longhi is a bit wider at 16.9 inches compared to the Breville's 12.52 inches. The Breville is a bit taller though, at 16.03 inches versus the De'Longhi's 13.7 inches. So it depends on your counter space.
And the weight?
The De'Longhi is slightly heavier at 23.2 pounds compared to the Breville's 21.8 pounds.
Okay, so overall the Breville feels a bit more streamlined with its touchscreen, while the De'Longhi offers more drink options and potentially more precise grind control. It really comes down to personal preference, I guess, and maybe price, given the current discount on the Breville. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.